Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by shortening the free edge and securing your workspace. This prevents accidental snapping. Next, file the shiny top layer of the Polygel with a 180-240 grit file. This allows acetone to penetrate. Do not overfile toward the natural nail. Once done, saturate cotton with 100% acetone, place it over each nail, and wrap tightly in foil or place in a soak tray. This isolates heat and speed. You'll soak for about 10 to 20 minutes, checking every 5 minutes so you don't overwork the natural nail. When the Polygel softens, use a wooden cuticle pusher at a low angle to gently slide or lift the product. Work from the free edge toward the cuticle. Slow pressure prevents delamination. If the product resists, rewrap with fresh acetone and wait. Never pry or force. Make sure to keep acetone off skin as much as possible to avoid dryness. After most Polygel lifts away, lightly buff remaining residue with a 240-320 grit buffer. Be conservative to protect the natural nail plate. Once smooth, wash hands, apply cuticle oil to rehydrate, and finish with a rich hand cream. This restores flexibility and barrier function. If you notice nail thinning, persistent roughness, or lifting, stop further mechanical work. Re-soak to remove remaining product or consult a professional. Prevention of overfiling is the single best troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.